Once we roll out the clay, it's very important to understand how stiff the clay is, how dry the clay is. This is straight out from the bag. You roll it out, it's got no strength. If I want to build tall, it just flop. Okay. If you let the piece of slab dry for a few hours in an airy place or under a fan, it depends how airy your place is. But as you can see that it's hardened a little bit. That is called the ladder stage, the early on ladder stage. It got strength when you build up, and then it's got the strength to build tall. When you're rolling out clay slab, so make sure that you flip and roll in all directions. Keep flipping it and keep rolling in all directions. Pay attention to those trap air. If you do see a bubble trap air, just poke it a bit. Then you'll get rid of those trapped air. So